do you say that? Chuck it in a bin. It's like so normal for them. Chuck it. No, I never really. No, I don't know. Chuck it in the bin. One time, maybe a few times, but the chuck, like, never knew there's a word for like. Yeah. And even British Japanese, they have their own words for like.
Chuck in the bin?
Ulit. Check it in the bin.
Was pencil.
You know?
You know?
You know mine. Good job, mine.
Good job, Mike.
What is this?
Mike. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Tatawagan mo.
Thank you. Ito pa. Ito pa.
You look like me.
For the month? What's that you?
Especially in person now.
Oh, Ilona?
Looks like Ilona in edition.
What else?
Ilona. Very similar. You know Ilona, the singer in edition.
Yung may gusto yung
Really? Yeah. Super tinakabot ka lang.
Three, two, one, go!
She's just hiding her feelings for Ruby. Why you're acting like that? This time, you're talking about
Ano yung
Ilona.
sinasabi ni Ga?
That's not the house.
Ha?
Yun lang wala.
Ano? Sa Ilona may gusto kay Bailey? Sa Ilona may gusto kay Bailey?
You look like her.
Do it again.
Stop! Oh, he's gonna do the eating.
Oh, that's not Tommy. That's Angry Bird. Bata pa talaga si Bailey. Kaya ko pabalik-balik tatlo. Ay, dalawa na hindi umaahon. Not getting up to the water 2 times.
What?
Nagawa ka, di ba, kapag child?
Keep talking. Keep the conversation going! Keep the conversation going! Yes, and also, I remember the time when we were looking at the clouds. We were looking at the clouds. See, we were looking at the clouds. Why aren't you like this at me? Remember when we were looking? Look, I'm gonna sing from the chandelier. From the chandelier.
Ears. Here.
No. Okay, I'll take that one. That one's one I really appreciate. Thank you.
I already knew what you meant when you said that they were laughing. I already knew what you mean. Like,
Shout!
It's from your mom.
Shout!
Your hair. Ano na. Okay, listen.
One more.
Wala na.
Wow!
It's just fine.
Hindi ko kailangan naman. Grabe kayo.
It's just fine.
Ears, here.
You're kidding yourself.
Excuse me.
That's
I'm gonna worry
Your
about
blush.
Maganda.
Umaga?
Maraming salamat po! Wala. Kasi basta ako
Yeah, bro. What's up, bro?
Ano meron?
Sabi ko maganda.
Maganda na?
Magandang
Oh, there he
salamat
is.
po. Nagkakatawa talaga.
dito eh. Marito mo dito.
Lubas mo ito pa.
Buwan ko yun, tapos na. Tumutungo ako pa. Ang dugo.
Maganda. Salamat.
Maraming
Ganda. Ang maraming umaga.
Very, he was like maganda, diba?
Wala pa.
Baka
kasi rice bus.
dark chocolate.
Please sir, continue. Please na, Richard. Tulog ka ganyan. Tulog ulit.
Ano na nanay mo? Ano to? Sino mo?
May pink na ulay sa ano, likod mo.
Namansahan eh.
Alona.
Namansahan eh.
I'm hoping to.
Diyan sa lakas dyan, nagsasalita sa kanila.
Yes, we're looking at the clouds. Remember the last time when, you know, we were looking at the clouds? And the ship.
Halika, translator. Halika.
Ano?
Sabihin mo sa kanya kung pa yung mga pwede mong sabihin. Ay, pwede sabihin.
Gusto kita. Ilaw na. Gusto kita.
Huwag na.
Joke lang po.
Okay. Doon. Dito ha.
You help me.
Gusto kita. Ay ba, halika dito.
What?
Halika dito. Come here. Go, baby. Go. Go.
Ano sabi?
Hapa. Nagtsika lang kami ni Ben. Ayan.
Ha?
30 minutes?
19 minutes and 13 seconds. And 56 seconds. Masaya. Hmm?
Yes. Dear boy.
Mas ma-energy yung
Let's go.
ngayon.
You're back.
Ay, hindi. Mas maganda lang pa sa akin yung ano. Ngayon.
Yes, bro.
Mas maganda pa sa akin yung ngayon. Kasi nagkakaroon sila. Kaya gusto ko ngayon. Mas gusto ko yung ngayon. Ayos. Tapos gusto sana ako ng pakantahin. Kakantahan sana ako. Tapos naalala nung Marcia. Sabi niya. Wow, may padila din.
Ang sabi niya, pero joke ba yan?
Seryoso yun? Ano daw?
Halika dito naman.
Halika dito.
Punta ka doon.
Halika. Ilaw na, halika dito. Gusto kita, halika dito. Ang
Hindi mo kinig. Sobrang weird.
Sobrang sweet ko yun. Nakapakapan ako.
Parang hindi siya laman.
Wala ba? Yung job na ba? Oh, sige. Baka may next batch.
Oh, ano ba?
Ikaw na. Tumingin ka sa ako. Tumingin.
Tumingin ka sa
Ibig sabihin, look at me. Tumingin ka sa akin.
Tapos,
Ayun, tumingin ka sa akin.
tumingin ka sa akin.
Yan! Dali.
Ate, ang ginagawa mo? Magsasabihin na tayo. Ang ginagawa mo? Ikaw lang hinihintay ko. Ate.
Meron.
Wala nang bumapansin kay Bailey.
Tumingin ka sa akin.
Huh?
Look into my eyes.
Do you think of me?
There are thousands of souls. Tumingin ka man.